Welcome back to the SHEMSS Hands-on Class. Today is Excavation Day. So, right after cutting down the trees, we begin the excavation process. Step 1. Rake up all the redwood needles and brush. The goal is to expose the bare ground. Duff, tree roots, and other brush prevent the ground from properly compacting and need to be removed completely. Before pulling the tree stumps, we dig around them. This will make it easier to pull them out. Meanwhile, the area is watered for dust control. The dirt trapped between the roots of the stumps is shaken off to avoid having to bring in any additional fill dirt. This will save you money. Then, the holes are backfilled, again, for the area not to sag in the future. Don't leave any roots or brush in the holes. If you leave it in the holes, with time, those things will decompose and the ground will sag. Clean dirt, some water is what you want when backfilling. Fill in some dirt, pack it in, fill in some more dirt, pack it in again, and repeat until it's done. All tree stumps, needles, and brush are loaded and removed from the property. The property is now backfilled and graded.